Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to insert a blank row between two rows through Excel macro. Suppose my requirement is that I have 500 rows and I want a blank row between every two rows. Then there is no any function in Excel to achieve this. But in Excel there is one wonderful facility of macro. Macro enables to automate the repetitive task like this. So we will learn how to do that exactly. So first go to Developer tab. Then click on click on Use Relative References. Then click on Record Macro. I'll give the name to the macro as macro to insert blank row. OK. Okay, so now we can start recording our macro. While recording the macro, one important thing which is to be remembered every time, that while recording the macro, please use the keyboard. So I will use the down arrow and then I will insert one row. Okay, so I will use again a down arrow and again one more time I will use the down arrow. Then I will again go to Developer tab. Then I will stop recording. Now to achieve our result of inserting a blank row between every two rows, I'll make a simple change in this macro. So go to macro and just click on the edit button. I'll simply enter one loop that do until active cell value is equal to blank, and I will complete the loop. Just close this window. Now we will see how it works. So I will run this macro and check whether I have achieved the expected thing. So while running the macro, I'll always ensure that you are at A1. So I'll run the macros, run, and here it goes. So friends, we can see how easy is to record a macro for such a repetitive tasks. Thanks for watching the video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.